Okay, for number 3, so once again, we're trying to write all the names of these quadrilaterals and then circle the one that makes the most sense or is the most specific. So this is a quadrilateral, but I see opposite sides are parallel. So that makes it a parallelogram, and that's the best name for it. Okay, a parallelogram is the best name for this figure. I'll write the whole thing down. All right, I don't know anything about the angles or the sides or anything, so I can't get more specific. I know it kind of looks like a rectangle, but I don't know that the sides are right angles because they don't have the boxes there. So I can't call it a rectangle. So I have to stop at a parallelogram. All right, number 4, it's a quadrilateral. I see 4 right angles. The sides look congruent, but they don't have the markings. So I can't assume that it's a square. So I actually have to come up here and look at the 4 right angles is actually a rectangle. So I know it looks like it might be a square, but it is a parallelogram and it is a rectangle. All right, I know that's a little confusing, but a rectangle is its best names. If the sides were marked and we knew that they were all the same measurement, then we could call it a square, but they're not marked. This one could be 6 inches and 6 inches. This could be 6.1 inches, and this could be 6.1 inches. So we just don't know. So we can't assume it. All right, all the angles, the sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral, they always add up to 360 degrees. So our last algebra problem, we're going to add up these 4 angles and set them equal to 360. So 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3 plus x has to equal 360 degrees. So adding all my x-like terms together, 2, 4, 5, 6. So I've got 6 x's plus 3 and 3 make 6 equals 360. Subtract over the 6. 6x is equal to 354. Divide by 6. 354 divided by 6 is 59. So x is equal to 59 degrees, and then I have to find all the angle measurements. So this one's 59 degrees, this one's 59 degrees because that's what x is. This is 2 times 59 plus 3, and same thing here, 2 times 59 plus 3. And that's 118 plus 3, which is 121. So this angle is 121, and this angle is 121. And I can check my answers by going through and adding up all 4 of those angles, and it's going to add to 360. All right, if you have some extra time, you can get started on the homework as we're waiting for our Lives team chat. If not, I'll see you guys at the Lives team chat. All right, I will talk to you soon.